Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming deadlines with a tester. Safety first. Next, mount the low-voltage transformer near the breaker or outside GFCI-protected box so voltage drop is minimal. Once done, route the appropriate cable from transformer to gate using conduit where exposed. This protects the wire from mechanical damage and weather. Make sure to secure the conduit every 3-4 FT and leave a small service loop at the gate for movement. You do these steps to prevent shorts and ensure you now make the electrical connections. Strip 1/2 inch of insulation, twist like conductors together, and use rated waterproof wire nuts or gel-filled connectors so moisture cannot intrude. Then bond the fixture and the gate frame to the ground conductor to prevent stray voltages. This protects you and the electronics. Once connected, secure the cable with clamps and route it away from moving parts. Finally, enclose the splice in a weatherproof box and apply silicone at all seams to stop water migration. That keeps the system reliable. You finish by restoring power and testing for correct voltage at the fixture with a multimeter. This confirms the transformer and wiring are correct. Once you see steady light, secure any remaining fasteners and trim excess cable. Make sure paint or sealant doesn't obstruct ventilation on the transformer. If things go wrong, start with the transformer output and any inline fuse. Make sure it matches the fixture load. If dim or flickering, make sure connections are tight and the ground is intact. That usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.